Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a green day today. Got 2 day trading days and 1 video. Just didn't feel like posting my video from yesterday up, so stay tuned. Yo, what up, traders? Got another green day for you, another video. And this is yesterday's action. Like I said in the intro, I got 2 day trading days and 1 video. And this is yesterday. I didn't post this yesterday because all I made was 60 cents and I only took 2 trades. So BRG. Yesterday I didn't trade any, like you see it's like 6 minutes after the open. I usually like to take a trade already by now, but if nothing's popping, I won't take a trade. And this trade right here is a forced trade. Like I just broke my rules. Like look at the volume. See the volume declining here? This like for me to take a trade on this candle here, this volume has to be higher than the previous, and it's not. So, yep. This was just a trade because I just wanted to take a trade. I haven't traded yet. Nothing was going on. It was the only stock that seemed like it was going on. It's like something was happening, but nah. Dead stock too. This stock was dead too. I should have been more patient and just waited a little bit longer after the open. Like I don't gotta take a trade as soon as he opened, like the first 5 minutes of the open. I can wait 15, 20 minutes sometimes. I won't wait till 11 o'clock. Like I just won't try to trade at 11 o'clock. The volume and everything is just different. It's hard to get a read. But anyway, so getting that pullback. See how it's not really bouncing immediately. Like we're at these lines. It should have been bouncing. Tape's acting real heavy here. So I jumped in at 26.70 and I'm instantly down. I'm just glad I brought 5 shares. Like, this just wasn't a good trade. Not my strategy. It's a forced trade. And, you know, take a loss on it. It's a lesson learned. Some days you just don't need a trade. Look how slow the tape is moving. I took it off, man. I didn't like how slow the tape was moving. So then next trade, SOPA, same day, halt resumption. Waiting for that pullback on the halt resume. I got a washout long video. Take a look at that. I got a halt play in there, but it only talks about trading washout longs. It's not like a halt trading video, educational. So I could have been there plenty of times. I'm just waiting. I guess I'm waiting for that perfect pullback. And I want it below 550, and I'm not going to get it. And I see the tape's going to just start going up. So I just jumped in there for the breakout of 6, and I got it. I jumped in there with 10 shares as well, and I got the breakout. That right there was straight tape reading. I read the tape. I wasn't getting that pullback, so I jumped in for the breakout. Here, so this is today's action. All right, this is today's action. Got the open here. Got a little dip, little washout, but it's not deep enough. It's washing out some more. And now I'm gonna get in at a good level. I'm gonna get in where I want to get in at, but it's my first trade of the morning, and I don't want to take a loss on it. And I cut this off extremely early. Like, look at my average. Like, I'm in at a damn good average, 980. That's a damn good average. Granted, it is gonna go a little lower, and I could have gotten in there lower, but 980 is a good average, man. Like it's gonna dip, it's gonna go against me here. It's gonna dip. I should have took an ass spot. Like I'm being greedy too. I could have took it off right there for like 10 cents, 12 cents, something like that. But I was just being greedy. I wanted that pop above 10. Like I wanted that $10 pop and the squeeze up to the highs to 10.20. And it's gonna happen. Like my idea was right about this stock. I just timed it wrong. So now it's acting heavy. I'm getting a little sketched out. I'm like, why I didn't bounce yet? Sketched out now. I could have took it off took it off for 6 cents profit there. Look at that. I could have took it off for all this profit. I'm gonna take it off for a loss because I just want to hold it for a rip. Like I just don't want to take it off for 5 cents. I want to hold it for that $10 rip. So I know I'm getting a little better at this trade. Now see right there, I should have took an ad spot. I should have took an ad at 969 and been more patient in hindsight trading because it's gonna rip. And I wish I just kept my average instead of I'm gonna panic out here. Then I'm gonna jump back in on my next trade. You'll see. So panicked out. I'm down 95 cents. And then that's why I panicked out that trade too like that. That's why I sold out because I didn't want it. I didn't know if the stock's gonna keep going against me and down like $1. I know I can get that money back in the next couple of trades if I take good trades. So I just wanted to just, give myself a chance to be green. But that was a bad cutoff. I should have added where I sold at, because it's going to bounce and get a nice rip. And I'm gonna jump in for it. See, I'm looking for a trade now. See, I jumped in there at 987, 988. I just wish I'd have held by 980 average. But it's all good. I'm gonna get a nice little win here. Boom. Look at that. That'd have been 30 cents right there. So got out with half of my share size. Took the rest off right there. Could have held on for a little bit, couple more cents. Now I'm down only 13 cents on the day. BFRI, man, it was a good hot stock today. This stock was hot, man. Like 3 halts. It's a nice stock to trade today. And I'm so glad I didn't use up all my buying power yesterday. Traded some bull crap, and I saved my buying power for the day. And I caught some of this move. And I caught this move. Like, I caught this trade today. I'm so glad. So now it's pushing up. I'm waiting for a dip. Now, it's not going to be a washout, none of that. I'm looking for a real, like I guess it is a little washout. This is like a little washout, because look how this candle, look how it gets rejected, the candle. See that? So that's a strong little, it's a slow washout. It's not like a washout like in my washout long video, but that's a nice dip. Jumped in there at 10:02. Already got filled, half my share size instantly. I took it off right there. I could have held on a little longer, but whatever. I'm up 81 cents now in the day. You always gonna leave money on the table, man. Look at that. You always gonna leave money on the table. So I'm not chasing this though. It's pushing up, but I'm not chasing. My mindset is wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback. Do not chase this bull crap. So here we go. Still pushing up a little, but here comes a pullback. I jumped in at 1044. It was a pretty good average. Yeah, actually that's pretty good. I think I could have got in a little lower. And I think I do. I think I add. I'm not quite sure. I can't really remember. But that's an okay average. It's broke below 1050, and I'm expecting to pop above 1050. Okay, yeah. So no, it dipped against me here, and I'm gonna add to my position here. Watch this. It's gonna be a nice little ad spot here. I'm gonna get a 10-cent decrease in my average when I take an ad spot. So, like, it's going against me. It looks like damn, down, but I want it to go against me. I want it to go against me so I can add. See, that didn't go deep enough against me, so I didn't add there. Excuse me, y'all. So there we go. I added pretty late, 1035, which is okay. Now I got 10 shares at a 1035 average. That's a damn good average. That's a nice ad spot. Like, that's perfect ad spot. I'm just play it back. I think I just try to get some. I think get 10 cents. I could have got that 50-cent rip, but I just wanted to get out of the trade because it's just struggling too much for me. I wish I'd have held on to that. Like, I'm going to get better. Like, I'm going to get better. Hold on, I'm going to show you. I'm going to get better at, like, capturing these moves. Like, you'll see. Y'all follow along. Like, you see how see this candle? I'm at the bottom right here. I'm going to get to the point where I'm going to be selling way up here. Like, I'm going to hold all of this. I'm not going to be selling quick like this, man. I'm going to hold through all this. I'm going to sell at the top. Watch. So, anyway, BFRI, same stock. Halt, resume, couple of seconds. And this is my last trade. Wait for a pullback. It's coming. Missed it right there. I missed that little pullback. But it was just too quick. I didn't really want to get it, so I'm taking advantage of the second one. Got in 1198. It was going against me a little bit, but look at that nasty rip back up. Like, that's a crazy nasty reversal. And I made $2.81 today. Yep. $2.81. Thanks you guys for watching. It's Money Games. Hit like and subscribe.